This is called tapping. I've been tapping for 6 years now. Today I will be teaching you a tap combo that I learned when I first started tapping. My dad actually taught me this combo. The tap combo I will be teaching you today consists of 3 different steps. The beginning, the middle, and the end that will get progressively harder as we go. And tapping takes precision and focus, and you have to keep doing it over and over again to make sure you get it right. So now we are going to start the tap combo. Feel free if you want to tap under your desk and do it with me. So the first thing is going to be 2 toes. So toe, toe, and everything we do is going to be on both feet. So, and then the second step is pretty much the same thing, but you add in a heel. It's a toe and a heel, and a toe and a heel. And this is the 3rd step in the beginning. So it's getting a little bit hard. It's a brush, a toe, and a heel. A brush, a toe, and a heel. We've made it through the beginning now. That was the easiest steps. Now we're getting into the middle, which is hard. So if you need, you can still try it, but it may be getting harder. So don't be angry if you don't get it right. The middle is where it starts to get more complicated. So just be ready. So it's a heel, a slap, a toe, and a heel. And you do that on both feet. So heel, a slap, a toe, and a heel. Now the 5th step is pretty much the same thing, but you add in a heel to that. So it's a heel, a slap, a heel on the left foot, and then a toe and a heel. And when you go on left, you're going to heel with the right foot. So heel, slap, heel, toe, heel. The 6th step in this is getting harder, and the end is going to be the hardest. So this is leading into that. It's a heel, a slap, a heel, which is the start of the 5th one, and then a brush, a toe, and a heel, which is 6 sounds. A heel, a slap, a heel, and a brush, and a toe, and a heel. And now the 7th and 8th steps are the hardest steps. This is the end, which is where you are going to have to practice quite a bit. It's a heel, a slap, and a heel, so it is like the 5th. And then a shuffle, toe, heel. And you're going to do that on both feet. And then this is the 8th step. It's pretty much the same thing again, but you add another heel. It's a heel, a slap, a heel, a shuffle, heel, toe, heel. And you do that on both feet again. And then we're going to go back down. So we can start with 7 because we just did 8. So it's a heel, a slap, a heel, and a shuffle, toe, heel. And we will do that on both feet as well. And then we can keep going down to 6, which we are getting back to the middle, so it will get a little bit easier. So it is the heel, the slap, the heel, the brush, the toe, and the heel. The heel, the slap, the brush, the toe, and the heel. And this is the 5th one, where we get back to the easier steps. So it's the heel, the slap, the heel, the toe, and the heel. And then the 4th one is that same thing, but we take away the heel. So heel, brush, toe, heel, and a heel, brush, toe, heel. The 3rd one is we're back to the beginning, so it gets easier. It's a brush, a toe, and a heel, a brush, a toe, and a heel. And then it's back to the first 2 steps, which we just take away the heel after the first. So toe, heel, toe, toe, toe. Now I'm going to do it fast. If you want to try it, you can. It's kind of hard. I will try and say it as I go, but I might get tripped up on my words. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. So that is the tap combo. Now that you have learned it, you can go show it to all of your friends. But remember, it takes precision and focus, and if you want to get it right, you're going to have to do it over and over again. There were 8 steps in this combo, and I broke it down to 3 parts so it would be easier to learn. There was the beginning, which was the easier steps, the middle, which was where it started to get harder, and the end, which was the hardest steps. And then we would go back down. Tap is something you can do almost anywhere, and if you're ever bored and want to try something, why not do this tap combo?